Alright everyone, back again with the metals, some more of the metals nighttime. This is actually just going to do a little review here. We're just going to go back over some of these trades. This is actually New York Open, 6:30 by time, Pacific time. Had a good entry here. Previously you had a good one here. The previous video I was just doing copper and silver because I was having trouble with this chart. And now you can see I got it up and running, and this is platinum here. I wanted to show you the trade that started actually right here, perfectly lined up. Beautiful trade down there, beautiful short. So that was from 10:22, right about 11 p.m. till 22 after midnight. Yeah. So reviewing some of these, you can see there's several of them here. What you're really looking for, obviously, to stay out of that. This is a morning session. This is a real early morning session. I like this platinum, overnight, especially real early in the morning. Here's a good one here. I had a great long trade right there that lines up perfectly. If you don't see what I'm talking about, I'll just make this line right here. Right there on that arrow. Once again, right there. And right here. Simple as that. Here's a beautiful one here. Long trade that really took off. Let's see what we did here. We did, 45, 50 ticks right there. So you can see these all day long, depending on what time of day you trade. Let's take a look at some silver ones. This was in the previous short in the video here. It started at 9:30 at night. It went all the way to 2 a.m. I closed this thing, I think, right after midnight, or right at midnight, right here. Had one more pullback, kept going. You had a beautiful one lined up on here at 3 a.m. If you're a person that likes to stay up all night, doesn't really bother me. If you want to trade this in the morning, the best times is going to be like right after 5. Here's a good long after 5. Then we start getting a little bit choppy. Now remember, I'm on a low bar size. It's only 12 and 2. You can always move this bar size up so you'll have a smoother run. This is more for scalping. So let's review some of these copper trades. This was the first one last night. As you can see, that kept going. After I closed that for another, I don't know, probably another 15 ticks. Got a great long entry right there that lined up perfectly. Another short entry right at 2 a.m. Beautiful short. This usually works better at night trading this. Let's go back to the previous night. And let's see what we got here. I actually had two, one there and one there, a big pullback. That would have stopped you out most likely if you were short. Could have always come back in right here. I mean, you're all going to have losers. There's just no way around that. It's going to happen, guys. Good short trade all the way down. Beautiful till 3:30. Had a reversal here. Another reversal, came back up to almost to that swing level. Another thing you can do, guys, is use these swing levels to your advantage. You can wait to go below, for a short below this swing level here, if you're already short there. Same thing with a long. You can wait till after this, still make ticks. This is also an MA, so I'm trading below this MA or above it. You got a beautiful one right here. Let's look for some more really nice ones right here. This one is at 8:45 p.m. London Asian session. Excuse me, still. Great long trade there. Finished by a little after midnight. Another nice short. You know, the key with these are here, you just got to have a lot of patience, man. Because the bar is going to come back against you almost every bar. Copper is known for that. It pulls back hard. You could see a good big spike pull back here. Would have taken most competitors out unless you're really patient. You want to move and play with your stop. Say, well, how do you know it won't turn and go the other way? Well, you don't 100%, but once you start watching this enough, if you spend time with an instrument like copper, silver, gold, whatever, ES, watch it enough and you go through, you replay, you go back, you test it over and over again. I mean, you're going to get to where you know what it does. I mean, when it does this, you're coming down, you're already short, it pulls back. You're like, no problem, just wait. And there you go. Rather than get paranoid, close your trade out, lose 200 or 300 right there, and then they're only for it to just go in your way. I mean, I can't tell you how many times I've done that myself. I mean, it's just it's part of trading. So I hope you guys get something out of this. Take care, everyone. Don't forget to join Discord. Earn a trade. I have my links. Those are all I ask, that you get that stuff through my link if you're going to do it. And have a good one.